Welcome everyone, where we explore the latest and greatest life-saving technologies. Equipment and inventions designed to keep you safe in the face of adversity. We're talking about cutting-edge innovations that can mean the difference between danger and rescue. Prepare to be amazed, inspired, and most importantly, informed. Stay tuned for an amazing journey into the world of equipment and inventions that could save your life. Don't go anywhere, you won't want to miss this. This amazing device is a must-have piece of safety equipment for anyone venturing into the water. The IKAROS Line thrower is a compact, self-contained unit the size of a large toolbox. Inside, a solid fuel rocket and 300 meters of high-strength nylon rope were wrapped. The smoke trail left by the shell indicates the accuracy of the shot. Despite its humble appearance, IKAROS has great power. With a simple pull of the trigger, the missile propels the line up to 300 meters, easily reaching a distressed person or another vessel. Its reliability meets the standards of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea. In the event of a building fire with no viable escape route, emergency services may utilize specialized cushions capable of withstanding jumps from heights as tall as the 8th floor, approximately 25 meters. These expansive inflatable pillows can be swiftly and effortlessly deployed. The assembly of the SP16 pillow requires a team of 2 individuals. Notably, the central blue circle serves to alleviate the psychological fear associated with jumping, as observed by psychologists. The Mark III, a highly regarded high-pressure portable fire pump, has been a long-time staple in the firefighting industry. It has a 10.7 horsepower engine specifically designed to combat bushfires, and has standard features that provide pressure of approximately 26 bars and pump 379 liters per minute, surpassing its predecessors. With a reduction in size and weight, the Mark III is now 20% smaller and 30% lighter at 20 kg. The compact and lightweight design of the Mark III makes it easy to transport and deploy in various environments. In times of fires, gas leaks, and emergencies, congestion is a typical occurrence, often associated with panic and the urgency to save time. This is where Slide to Safety proves invaluable. Slide to Safety stands out as an innovative and interactive emergency evacuation system, aiming to elevate safety measures across various settings. Engineered to activate within 6 seconds and allow the evacuation of approximately 30 people per minute. Moreover, these slides can be conveniently installed beneath any accessible window. BATFAN 2 is the undisputed champion of portable forced ventilation fans. It stands out as one of the most adaptable battery-powered firefighting fans on the market, featuring an unparalleled airflow capacity of 16,000 cubic feet per minute, making it the perfect choice for firefighters, hazmat teams, and emergency responders around the world. Incredibly lightweight and can be carried by one person. This versatile tool serves multiple purposes, including blowing or extracting air, as well as acting as a foam generator. The fan runs for 20 or 45 minutes on a single charge. ABS P.RIDE is a revolutionary airbag system that takes safety to a whole new level. It is the first and only airbag system to feature automatic mutual partner activation via radio. This means that if one person in a group is caught in an avalanche and their airbag does not inflate for any reason, the airbags of other group members will automatically inflate as well, greatly increasing their chances of survival. The airbag is deployed using nitrogen to fill it. The backpacks come in 2 versions, which have 2 separate airbags that provide double protection in the event that one of them is damaged. Price starts at $484. Millions of students around the world go to school each day, knowing their buildings may not survive an earthquake. But what if classrooms could be equipped with desks that double as earthquake shields? These innovative desks, while appearing ordinary, can withstand the force of a ton of concrete. They're just as light and movable as regular desks, and their specially designed legs allow for easy cleaning underneath. Consider investing in an earthquake-proof table for your home or workplace. It could just save your life. Now let's see. This is a product that can be useful not only to rescuers, but also to builders. The Water-Barrier allows you to create a small dam to clean canals and repair bridges. This temporary structure consists of interconnected pipes or barriers that can be filled with water to create a reliable barrier against water leakage into a specific area, whether it is used in flood control, shoreline protection, or construction projects that require a dry job site. The heavy-duty polyester reinforced PVC is also effective in both dry and wet conditions. Of course, the Water-Barrier can be used repeatedly. It is also easy to store and transport when folded. Next is a joint project between Land Rover and Austrian Red Cross engineers implementing the idea of an SUV, which demonstrates the brand's commitment to humanitarian efforts and advanced technology. This special vehicle is equipped with an advanced drone system that can be deployed in emergency situations to provide vital assistance. The roof-mounted drone, seamlessly integrated into the Land Rover Discovery, is able to quickly reach areas that are difficult for conventional vehicles. Equipped with thermal imaging, it detects a person at 144 feet and a car at 3,200 feet as well. This innovative solution allows for rapid assessment of stricken areas, providing vital information to relief organizations and first responders. Project Hero not only embodies Land Rover's off-road prowess, but also highlights its dedication to leveraging technology for the greater good, making a significant impact in times of crisis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next ride.